God preparing you for something better.
Right.
When God do things, allow things to happen, it's only two ways, and it's only you gonna learn. It's a lesson, and you gonna level up. It's a lesson, and you gonna level up. It's a lesson, and you gonna level up. God gonna let things happen. I want things to happen. I need things to go through. I want God to beat down every trial and tribulations. I want to go through the mud. I want to get that shovel. I want to walk through that mud. I want to feel that pain. I want that rain to hit me. I want to go through every trial and tribulation, because if I can make it through this, I know I can make it through anything. I know God with me, he ain't gonna never forsake me. I had the pain. I had to go through the things. I had the needles. I had everything. I was in every opportunity. I lost everything. I lost it all. But man, God ain't gonna never leave you, man. That's one thing I ain't, listen, man, God, whatever, I ain't gonna never question you, because guess what? Every time I question you, you show me why.